Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G9 series QD-OLED G-Sync, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of games that feel like they're dragging on forever? Do you want to experience true immersion in your favorite titles without any lag or distractions? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Samsung's just released the 49-inch Odyssey G9 series QD-OLED G-Sync monitor, and it's poised to revolutionize the gaming landscape. So who is this for? The truth is, anyone serious about taking their gaming experience to the next level should be paying attention. Whether you're a professional esports player or just someone who loves sinking hours into their favorite games, this monitor is designed to deliver a truly unforgettable experience. I've gotta say, I'm personally stoked about this one. The idea of having a monitor that can keep up with even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat is incredibly exciting. And from what I've seen so far, it's definitely living up to its promise. One of the standout features of the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G9 series QD-OLED G-Sync is its incredible color accuracy and vibrancy. With QD-OLED technology, you get a wider color spectrum that makes every game feel like it was designed specifically for this monitor. The result is visuals that are just plain stunning, perfect blacks, rich colors, and an overall sense of depth that's hard to find elsewhere. But what really sets this monitor apart is its response time. With a blistering 0.03 milliseconds GTG refresh rate, you can expect silky smooth motion that makes even the most intense games feel seamless. And with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort connections, you know you're getting the latest and greatest in terms of connectivity. Of course, all this tech wouldn't be worth it if the monitor wasn't comfortable to use for long periods of time. Luckily, Samsung's got that covered too. Thanks to its glare-free technology, you can enjoy a distraction-free viewing experience even when you're sitting right next to a window. And with its automatic brightness control feature, you don't have to worry about overheating in the middle of an intense gaming session. But what really gets me is how well this monitor performs in real-world scenarios. I've had customers rave about the clarity and detail they get on screen, no matter the resolution or graphics settings. And while it's not perfect, we all know that Samsung's clearly put a lot of thought into crafting an experience that feels both immersive and user-friendly. So, is this monitor worth buying? In my humble opinion, if you're serious about taking your gaming to the next level without breaking the bank, then yes, the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G9 series QD-OLED G-Sync is a solid choice. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a monitor that will elevate your experience and give you an edge over your friends. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.